So this video is for those ones who mine Pocketfi. So I'll advise you to mine Pocketfi because I'm just getting to know a few things about these guys, and I feel like this coin is going to cook. And the the Web3 technology is just beyond me. So basically, when you open an account with Pocketfi, they attach your Telegram username. So now you need to protect your Telegram by all means. So they attach your Telegram username to your account. They're going to provide an EVM wallet for you that covers Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Ton. Now, this technology is just like the normal bots we see, the trading bots we see, but these guys create accounts for you, wallets for you, and you deposit on those wallets. You can use those wallets to trade as you use your normal Trust wallet or this thing to trade, but everything is done within Telegram. It's just so nice. Let me go ahead with this. Mine. Okay, so basically you claim switch every 6 hours. If you look at my screen, you're going to see a timeline, a countdown that will pop up very soon. I would come back to that countdown, but this switch works. This is how you mine switch is mined every 6 hours. It's a 6 hour interval, so you have to come here to claim. Let me click here so that you see the instructions they give. They said if you missed some claims, the total claimed switch, this volume, will always be less than the total mined. So what you want to do is to ensure that you don't miss any claim, which is almost impossible anyway, because sometimes when you're sleeping, obviously you might not be able to wake up to claim those tokens, but at least during the day, depending on how your activities are, you can afford to at least claim 3 or 4 times a day. However, you don't necessarily need to wait for the 6 hours to elapse. You can still go back, come here and claim even within less than 6 hours. So long your claim is activated, you can claim. Like now, I have no claim activated yet, so that's why that countdown is not showing. Once I have a claim activated, this claim switch is going to become dark. So let me show you how to utilize this. As you can see, I'm claiming 2.0 switch per hour. Now, if you're a Telegram premium user, you can actually claim up to 4 switch per hour. So now I'll click on boost so that I'll show you other ways to claim. Now, when you click on boost allows you to do some activities that will enable you to mine at a higher amount of switch per hour. So now, at the moment, we have Bond Punk, we have make a swap on Ton network, we have make a swap on any EVM networks. So now I want to try with Ton network just for the purpose of making this video. I've deposited Ton on my wallet already. So now if you don't have Ton on your wallet, you can click on deposits. When you click on deposits, you click on external wallets. So now each of these networks is available. We have Ethereum, Optimism, and Arbitrum, and we also have Ton. So now if I click on Ethereum, the Ethereum wallet is going to pop up. But now for the purpose of this, I'm using Ton. So if you click on Ton, the Ton wallet is going to pop up. I already have Ton in my wallet, so let's return back to the previous page. So I want to swap Ton. For fish, just for the purpose of this video anyways. Fish Ton. So I want to swap 0.1 Ton. That's going to give me 1 point something million. Yeah, 1.3 million fish. And then I'll click on swap here. Swap. Remember, the transaction fee is usually 0.8 to 0.3. So transaction fee might end up being very high. So you can't really tell. But at the moment, transaction fee on Ton is low. So let's see. So 0.1 Ton for 1 million, 1.3 7 million fish ton is in progress. So my status shows that my transaction is in progress. So I don't know how long this might take for the status to show confirmed. So however, I'm coming back to mining. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, the period of time that I have counts down right now is 5 hours and 56 minutes. So in the next 6 hours I can claim. So every time you come to claim here, your claim time rebalances. Every time you come to claim, your claim time rebalances. So let me confirm if that transaction I did was successful. So I will search for fish. Okay, the transaction is not successful yet. But however, I've been deducted. You can see my balance here was $4. So I've been deducted transaction fee plus the other balance for my fish transaction. So hopefully it's going to drop and new balance. Okay, looks good. So check final transaction. Yes, status done. Okay, so now it's showing me that my I've been able to mine switch. So as you can see, I'm now mining 10 switch per hour for the next 24 hours. So I've done that transaction. Now let us assume you don't want to do the transaction for you don't want to do the transaction for Tron, you want to do it for EVM wallets. So basically, if you want to do for EVM wallet, I'll advise you to use the cheapest means, which is usually Arbitrum, which is the cheapest and it has a very low transaction fee, almost equals to zero. So inconsequential transaction fee. So currently I've deposited $4 in Arbitrum to my wallet. I won't want to do any swap yet until tomorrow after 24 hours elapses, so that I can do a swap and be getting 5 units. That's plus my initial 2 units. That's going to be 7 units per hour for the next 24 hours. So take advantage of this and see you at the top.